So today I'm going to be cooking some Kodiak oatmeal using the Flash Jetboil system. Spin that right on there. Anytime I'm using the Jetboil system, usually try and cook it on flat ground. Grab some matches. So I'm just going to turn it on low. So you'll line it. Good. They usually say to fill up the bottle before you hook it on. You don't want to heat it up empty. So then we'll add the lid. Throw this on here, and it locks into place. We'll turn it up. Just let that boil. Should heat up pretty quick. Should be done by now. Let's steam. So now you can just go ahead and turn it off, turning it all the way low. Just carefully open this. And I'm just gonna dump my oatmeal on inside. Gonna stir it. Stir it, and we'll just cover it again, let it sit for a couple minutes. So yeah, these Jetboil systems are awesome. If you ever need to heat something up super quick. These things will heat it up so fast. I think the most that you can do on this thing is probably about 16 ounces. I would say doing it safely. Yeah, should be good by now. Hey, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, just make sure you like the video and subscribe to see more videos. I can't tell you guys how much I appreciate you guys in liking and subscribing to the channel. And if there's something you want to see, just drop a comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video.